I know, I know, I know. It's not easy to learn derivatives because the problem is the algebra involved behind all the applications we have, all the derivatives, and the fact that we have to learn a lot of formulas that help us get the answer to any derivative. So in this video I'm going to try to show you the general approach for the chain rule, okay? And we're going to do an exercise in which I'm going to apply the chain rule. Maybe some of you are advanced students and will understand it and say like, okay, I don't need to use chain rule for this, it's like kind of a dumb part. This video is made for people that really requires to understand chain rule for any reason, okay? So we're going to do the chain rule, and with this example you're going to see the power behind the chain rule. So to start, we're going to see the function, we're going to get the derivative, and the chain rule just says that if you have a function that could be the composite of other function, you just can apply this rule, df du times df dx. Okay, so what we're going to do is to determine what is u and how u is going to help us to get the derivative of df dx. Okay, so the derivative of df dx cuando f is a composite function. So first we need to find u. What is the term we're going to replace as u in order to have a function that it's easy to differentiate? So in this case, you can see that this is a root function, okay? A square root function. So the term inside the square root is the one that we're going to call u. Okay? Now, we're going to differentiate du dx. I made a mistake here. The df du times du dx. Okay? So I'm going to differentiate du dx to get derivative of x is 1 and derivative of a constant is 0, so I got 1. And now this function fx, I can rewrite it as the root of u, okay, because x plus 1 is u. So I can get df du. So what you need to do is df du. But this is a root, a square root function. So if you go to a table, many tables can show you that if you have the n root of x, so the derivative is going to be 1 over n root of x n minus 1. Okay? So essentially, what we're going to do is apply this formula. So in this case, n is going to be 2. So we were going to have 1 over 2 root of, in this case it's not x but u, so u. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so I divide the problem in two parts. First part is here, df du, and the second part is this, du dx. So I just need to multiply them to have the derivative. So df dx is going to be df du times du dx. And df du is 1 over 2 square root of u to the first power. okay, is this, right? Times the u dx is 1, so 1. But be careful, you cannot finish your exercise by setting in terms of u. You need to write it in terms of x. So to finish our chain rule, I'm just going to use u as x plus 1. So 2 root of x plus 1. And this is how you apply the chain rule in order to differentiate any function. Okay, I did it step by step, very slowly, for you to understand how and when to apply the chain rule, and that's it. So I hope that this video helped you to understand how to get the derivative of a function using the chain rule. Send me your comments, like the video if you like it, and subscribe to my YouTube for more content. See you the next time. Bye bye.